How to spend 5 days in ZAKYNTHOS Greece. Picture yourself taking a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, soaking in the breathtaking sights, sounds, and smells that ZAKYNTHOS has to offer. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best things to do in ZAKYNTHOS and how you can spend 5 days exploring this stunning Greek island. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new content every week and would love to have you join us in our exploration of the world. Day 1. Porto, Limnionas and Navagio Beach from the top. Porto, Limnionas and Navagio Beach are two of the most stunning destinations on the Greek island of ZAKYNTHOS. Visitors looking to soak up some serious natural beauty should absolutely make time to visit both spots. Located on the western coast of the island, Porto Limnionas is a small picturesque cove surrounded by rocky cliffs and crystal clear turquoise waters. The perfect spot for cliff jumping or relaxing swim. Meanwhile, Navagio Beach is a secluded and iconic cove that can only be reached by boat or by hiking down a steep cliff. With its towering white cliffs, sparkling blue waters, and iconic Shipwreck in the middle of the beach, Navagio is truly a sight to behold. Fortunately, there are plenty of spots where you can take in the beauty of both Porto Limnionas and Navagio Beach from the top, making for an unforgettable experience. Day 2. Porto Limnionas, Porto Roxa, Korakonizi. On the second day of your exploration in Greece, be sure to visit Porto Limnionas, Porto Roxa, and Korakonizi. These three stunning locations offer a unique glimpse into Greece's breathtaking coastal beauty. At Porto Limnionas, crystal clear waters crash against jagged cliffs, providing the perfect backdrop for stunning photos. Porto Roxa features a calm bay, ideal for swimming and snorkeling, while Korakonizi boasts clear turquoise waters and the opportunity to explore hidden coves. This was probably my favorite beach in all ZAKYNTHOS, and if you have a chance, I definitely recommend spending a day in Porto Roxa. Whether you're a nature lover or simply someone looking to unwind by the sea, these destinations are not to be missed. Day 3. Misitres, Maratias Beach, Lithis, and Kirakas Beach, Arasi. On day 3 of your Greek adventure, you'll get to explore some of the stunning beaches in the Arasi region. Start off by visiting Misitres, known for its impressive rock formation and crystal clear waters. Next up is Maratias Beach, where you can relax on the soft sandy beach or take a dip in the refreshing sea. Lithis Beach boasts a peaceful and calm atmosphere, perfect for those looking to escape the crowds. Finally, end the day at Kirakas Beach, a stunning spot that is also a protected sea turtle nesting site. With its golden sand and gorgeous turquoise waters, it's easy to see why this beach is a must visit. So pack your sunscreen and towel and get ready to spend the day surrounded by some of the most beautiful scenery Greece has to offer. Day 4. Agios Nikolaos, boat tour to Navagio, Shipwreck Beach, Porto Vromi, Laganas. On day 4 of your trip to Greece, you'll have the opportunity to visit the stunning Agios Nikolaos and embark on a boat tour to Navagio, also known as Shipwreck Beach. As you cruise along the turquoise water, you'll catch glimpses of beautiful coves and cliffs before arriving at the famous Navagio Beach. Surrounded by towering white cliffs, the beach is only accessible by boat and is home to the iconic rusted remains of a shipwreck. After soaking up the sun and exploring the beach, the tour will then take you to Porto Vromi, a picturesque port village with crystal clear waters. Your final stop of the day will be Laganas, known for its vibrant nightlife and sandy beaches, the perfect place to end a day filled with stunning scenery and adventure. Day 5. ZAKYNTHOS Town, relaxing at the beach in Chilivi. ZAKYNTHOS Town is a charming location on the Greek island of ZAKYNTHOS. Known for its beautiful beaches and rich history, On the 5th day of your vacation, be sure to explore the unique architecture and vibrant local culture that this town has to offer. After a day of exploration, unwind at the beach in Chilivi, which is known for its clear waters and relaxing atmosphere. You'll love lounging on the sand and soaking up the sun while taking in the breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Whether you're looking to learn about the island's history or simply looking to unwind in paradise, Zakynthos Town and Chilivi Beach are the best perfect destinations for your summer holiday. Zakynthos is a must-visit destination in Greece, and while it is definitely worth the visit, makes it more special are the incredible beaches and activities that you can indulge in. From scuba diving at some of the most beautiful yet secluded locations like Porto Limnionas, sipping a cup of coffee on Navagio beach, or sailing around Laganas and Marathias beach. These little adventures are something you will never forget. Every day felt like a little adventure, and during our stay on Zakynthos, I got to experience so many wonderful things. In conclusion, if you're looking for an authentic yet quintessential Greek experience, then go no further than Zakynthos. You'll find everything here, from spectacular beaches to challenging hikes, amazing sunsets to romantic bays. There's no way that your vacation could be anything less than perfect. So which of these activities would you like to do in Zakynthos? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave any comments or questions down below.